This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Michelle Dudkin. Private, landscaped fenced backyard. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath featuring poured concrete construction, custom glass doors, volume ceilings and newly tiled living areas. Carpet in the main suite. Remodeled kitchen, open to allow light and airiness, offers wood cabinets, granite counters, newer stainless steel appliances, a breakfast nook and snack bar. Formal dining area overlooks a spacious great room. Family room modified and enclosed with pocket doors and easily serves as an office or guest space. Sliding doors open to a screened oversized, 34 by 15, patio. The main suite offers a walk-in closet, dual vanities, tub and shower. Guest bath beautifully remodeled. Updates include metal roof, 2014, AC, 2023, water heater, 2024, windows, 2017. Poly pipes replaced. Accordion shutters. 24 hours gated community. For more information, review the details below or contact Michelle Dudkin at 772-219-1111.